today I am taking the concept of the profit and loss. Again, this chapter is the one of the very simple topic but very interesting topic. In the profit and loss, the first term is called the cost price. We use the cost price. You know cost price. ठीक है? अच्छा देखो. What is the cost price? For example, I purchase this bottle. I am shopkeeper. I purchase this bottle from wholesaler. So remember that shopkeeper always purchase the goods from wholesaler or wholesale market. ठीक है? So in the cost price, the price of article include, it is the actual price. We can say manufacturing cost. We can say cost price means manufacturing cost. Okay, from wholesaler we can say that which price wholesaler give you, that is called the cost price. But sometime, for example, I purchase one scooter from my neighbor and I maintained it. I invest 2000 for maintenance and I sell this scooter to my friend. So if there is a maintenance cost, you have to add them. Maintenance cost you have to add in this price. For example, I purchase a scooter from my friend at Delhi and I gave the charge of the transport charge to bring that scooter in my place. So you have to add the transport cost also. So basically you have to add lot all prices. Okay, जितना आपके जेब से गया, you have to add all prices. So it is called cost price. Cost price means it includes cost, maintenance cost, transport cost. For example, I purchased this bottle for wholesale market in 20 rupees and I thought, yeah, it's good bottle. Should I apply some fake stamp made in USA? So I purchased the one stamp and I put the made in USA. I pack this bottle is very good packing. So packing cost, I have to add the packing cost also. Packing cost. जितना भी लगा ना सब ऐड करना पड़ेगा. पैकिंग कॉस्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉस्ट प्राइस. घर में कितने का पड़ा, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कॉस्ट प्राइस. यू हैव टू ऐड ऑल प्राइसेस. ओके, so these are the cost price. Very simple. Cost price everybody know, है ना. So cost price include this all prices. It is not necessary always you will get the all prices, and sometimes you will not get the maintenance, transport, packing. Then the price which you purchase from the wholesaler, it is your cost price. No problem. ठीक है. Now shopkeeper, जैसे I purchase this bottle for 20 rupees from wholesaler and after packing I write MRP as a 180 rupees. So what I am doing, I am increasing the price of article to mark price. To write the one is called the mark price. Sometimes we use the MP. So what is the mark price? When the shopkeeper increase the price, it is called markup percentage. Markup percentage. Markup percentage means sometime I increase the price 60% more than cost price, like this. So I purchase the article at 100 rupees and I write MRP as a 160 rupees. ठीक है. देखो बच्चा, ब्रांडेड में तो ऑलरेडी रिटर्न MRP लिखा होता है, पर बाकी चीजों में ना शॉपकीपर राइट द प्राइस. इवन मैं तो कहता हूँ इन द डेली ब्रांडेड में भी प्राइस शॉपकीपर ही लिखता है. बहुत ही ध्यान लिए वहां पे. ओके, सो शॉपकीपर इंक्रीज द प्राइस टू सेल द ऑब्जेक्ट, or we can say to for writing the mark price. It's called the markup percentage. Markup percentage means how much shopkeeper will increase cost price to write the price, or we can say to make the mark price, or it is also called labeled price. ठीक है. When you go to purchase the bottle, आप गए बोतल परचेज करने में, शॉपकीपर कहेगा अरे आप तो मेरे छोटे भाई जैसे लगते हो, हम तो बिल्कुल पड़ोसी हैं. आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली, यू आर फ्रॉम बिहार, वी आर पड़ोसी. आपने ज्यादा सोचा भी नहीं, इतने प्यार में आप पागल हो गए. कहते यार मेरा भी बड़ा भाई लग रहा है. कहता 140 रुपीज ओनली मेड इन यूएसए, और उसने कितने में खरीदी है 20 रुपीज, और मेड इन यूएसए का भी ठप्पा गले लगाया. तो आपने बोला नहीं यार, आप मैं तो छोटा भाई हूँ. कहता यू आर लुक लाइक माय यंगर ब्रदर, आई एम गिविंग यू 20 रुपीज डिस्काउंट फॉर मेड इन यूएसए बॉटल. और आप इंप्रेस हो गए उससे, अरे वाह 20 रुपीज डिस्काउंट. सो शॉपकीपर गिव यू डिस्काउंट ऑन मार्क प्राइस. शॉपकीपर ऑलवेज गिव यू डिस्काउंट ऑन द मार्क प्राइस. Discount percentage. So discount is always given on the mark price, and shopkeeper sells the object to you in the, this is called selling price. Selling price means the price you will pay to shopkeeper after discount. It is called the selling price. तो आपने 120 में कहा और ये मेड इन यूएसए 120 रुपीज में, और ये मेरा भाई लग रहा है, बड़ा भाई, आपने खरीद ली फटाफट. यू परचेज इट. एंड the difference between the CP and SP is called the profit, and sometimes it is called the loss. Profit mostly we write in the percentage form, or loss. So in this chapter you will meet three prices: CP, SP, MP, and you will meet the three percentage: markup percentage, discount percentage, or profit percentage, or loss percentage. It is the total chapter. ठीक है. First I am teaching you only this first portion, CP, SP, and profit or loss. Okay, then I will go for further this. So it is very interesting. The basic formula I am writing, the basic formula of school. You want to find out the profit profit, the profit is always when your SP is greater than CP, then you will get the profit, and profit is the SP minus CP. 20 रुपीज की बोर्डर आपने 120 में बेचा, तो your profit is 100 rupees. It is your profit. ठीक है. Sometimes you will get the loss if CP is greater than SP. Definitely, if your purchase price is more than your selling price, then you will get the loss, and loss is the CP minus SP. It is the basic formula, school level. You want to find out the profit percentage. It is profit divided by CP into 100. It is a simple formula for profit percentage. Profit percentage means if you purchase object at 100 rupees, what is your profit? It's called the profit percentage. So it is used to simplify the things. If I say that a shopkeeper got the 28% profit, it's look like good. Get the 92 lakhs 80,523 rupees profit. No, it's not look like good. He got the 28% profit, it means good. He purchased the 100 rupees item and he sell at 128 rupees, so he got the 28% profit. So this is again, percentage is the comparison, it is not actual, it is for simplified the things in the maths. So same thing, if you want to find out the what is the loss percentage, again you have to write the loss divided by CP. You have to compare profit and loss both with the CP, like this. Profit percentage, it is loss percentage. Are you getting or not? It's too good. So we generally use this formula in the school level, but now you will solve my method, and I'm writing here Vikas Certis any question of profit and loss, and you will solve in few seconds. It depends upon the question also. Question कैसा है उससे depend करे. So I'm writing here my tricks to solve the question of profit and loss without any formula. There's a lot of formula. Sometimes SP given, profit percentage given, you have to find out the CP. There's a lot of formula in the school level. So don't go for any formula. And what is the method? My method, I'm taking the example. If in any question it is given that 40%, a shopkeeper is getting the 40% profit. If it is given, a shopkeeper gets 40% profit. So what you have to write? You have to always write in the fraction form. Markup includes profit plus discount. Definitely. Profit plus discount equal to markup. But I will take the question of markup and this all. Definitely, it is the profit, it is the discount, and it is the markup. Markup equal to profit plus discount. Definitely, very good, nice. आपको जो दिख रहा है वो बिल्कुल सही है. So I use the arrow like this. पहले increase किया, फिर decrease किया. So how much increase हुआ? That is the profit. अरे ये जो क्वेश्चन है डिस्काउंट, हम ऐसे करेंगे 15 सेकंड में इसके क्वेश्चंस. तो आई विल टीच यू. अभी हम इसको देख रहे हैं. इट इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग द डिस्काउंट एंड मार्कअप. ठीक है, एंड डेफिनेटली इट इज करेक्ट वन, एंड इट इज द फॉर्मूला. सेम फॉर्मूला भी वैसे ही है, मैं बताऊंगा आपको कैसे. ठीक है, ओके. तो 40% प्रॉफिट मींस कन्वर्ट. 40% क्या होता है बताओ? डू यू नो 40%? 40% मींस 2/5. सो यू राइट 2/5. 40% मींस 2/5. डिनोमिनेटर इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस CP and numerator is the profit. So you can see that it is the meaning of this ratio. In 5 rupees you got the 2 rupees profit. Are you getting or not? अच्छा, it depends on you. आपको इसको जैसे भी convert करना है, whatever you want, you can convert your ratio. If I add 2 in 5, my ratio will become 7/5, and then 5 will denote cost price and 7 will denote SP. Simple सी बात है. 5 rupees का आइटम आपने 7 रुपीज में सेल किया, देन यू विल गेट द 40% प्रॉफिट. ठीक है, यू परचेज द गुड्स एट 5 रुपीज एंड यू सेल एट 7 रुपीज, देन यू गॉट द 40% प्रॉफिट. एंड एवरीबॉडी नो इट इज नॉट एक्चुअल, इट इज रेशियो है भाई. सो हम क्या करेंगे? इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट वी विल राइट आवर एक्चुअल थिंग्स एंड वी विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. इट इज कॉल्ड द फ्रैक्शन मेथड. ठीक है, सेम थिंग इन सम क्वेश्चन. इफ यू गॉट that one person gets like a 25% loss, one person gets the 25% loss, then you know 25% means 1/4. So in this question again, either you get the profit or you got the loss. The denominator is always CP and numerator will be loss. In 4, 1 rupees loss. In 4, 1 rupees loss. So 4 में 1 का लॉस है तो आप माइनस कर दो. So it will become 3/4. 4 is CP and 3 is SP. Wow, are you getting or not? ठीक है, चलिए I am taking some basic question of profit and loss and you will give me the answer. A shopkeeper sells an article at 3510 rupees. Sales an article. It means what is this? This is your SP, selling price, and he gain profit percentage. Find the cost price. So can you say SP is given in this question as a 3510 rupees and you have to find out the CP. So convert your fraction into SP and CP and you got the answer in very fast manner. So what is my method? Now see on the board. अच्छा, no option, कोई बात नहीं. I am writing my method. What I am doing? Do you know the shortcut of 28 and 4/7%? If you don't know, multiply 28 by 7 and add the 4 and लिखो into 1/100. But I know that 14 and 2/7%. Already I mug it in the है ना, in chapter of percentage. क्या होता है ये 1/7? So it is twice of that, 28 and 4/7%. What it means? 2/7. So it will be 2/7. In this 2/7, you know 7 denote CP and 2 is profit. देखो कितना simple है. In 7 rupees, profit is 2. So tell me, add them, 9 and 7. 7 is the ratio of CP and 9 is the ratio of SP. Wow, it's too good. Now you converted your fraction into the CP and SP. Now equal them actual value 3510 and CP you want to find out. This is called fraction method. Are you getting or not? This is a very fantastic method. Always try to convert your profit percentage or loss percentage into SPCP if SP is given and you want to find out the CP. So 9 से इसको कैंसिल करो. 9 से 9 3 जा 27, 9 9 जा 81, 0. So what about the CP? CP equal to 7 into 390, 2730 rupees.